Greetings. I wanted to take this opportunity to show you where you can find the listening content within the Supersite. You'll see here we're in Descubre 3, maybe reviewing another program. Many of our programs offer an episodic video, in this case called the fotonovela, which serves as comprehensible input for students. It's situated between the vocabulary and grammar strands. Students can click on the presentation here and watch the video. Anytime you see a video icon, you know that it's video material. In our Spanish and French programs, we also have a Flash Cultura, which are integrated videos that feature young professional broadcasters exploring the chapter themes from locations around the Spanish and French-speaking world. Many of our programs have an en pantalla video, which are authentic, or lo zapping, which are authentic video clips from the Spanish, French, Italian, German-speaking world. They're rich, and students can access those there. They're also brief as well. A few of our programs have a Panorama Cultural, which is another video, and those are give students access to the sights and sounds of the Spanish-speaking world featured in that particular lesson. Many of our programs have a short film, and short films have to be anywhere between 5 and I think 30 minutes long. They're incredibly rich. They give students both cultural and linguistic input, and they can be watched via the Supersite by students. They can watch the subtitles as they're watching the video. You, of course, can watch them in class. And then you'll find overall in the Supersite, really an abundance of listening practice. Anytime you see a headset icon, you know that is a listening activity. You may have activities with a headset icon and a microphone, which is asking students to listen to something and then to record themselves. In all of our programs, you have end-of-lesson vocabulary that is summarized with native speaker audio. In addition to many of the readings have native speaker audio, and when the student is listening to the reading, they're actually seeing the text highlighted simultaneously. So it caters to various types of learners, and the readings are really beautifully done with audio. Many of our programs have news and cultural updates, which you'll find here. And these are carefully curated, thematically based, authentic texts, including audio and visual material. They're added every month and updated, and you will always have access to your past resources. And then lastly, you can create activities yourself and embed audio and video. You can create open-ended activities where you would, let's say, embed a link to YouTube or perhaps an audio file, and you would create an activity that you can assign and then you can assess once students submit it. So there is an abundance of listening practice in the Supersite, and I hope that you'll take a look. Thank you.